There are two types of nouns that we like to talk about, those that are countable and non-countable. Countable nouns are pretty much everything in this room here today. We have a table, a chair, a computer, a laptop, a cell phone, a backpack, a cup of coffee. Any object that we can count is called countable, and before that we put the letter A and pronounce it typically when we speak quickly. Sometimes though we have to add an N to that A because there are two vowels and we have to separate them with a consonant to make it more easily pronounceable. So with the word orange, which is an object which we can count, we tend to say, or we say, an orange. We don't say a orange. It's a little bit hard to say, right? Or apple. We say an apple, not a apple. Kind of hard to say. So just remember that in the countable nouns, most things don't require that N, but some do. And you'll see that, you'll know that quite naturally when you get these two vowels together. They're kind of hard to say. It's hard to say a orange, so you'll say an orange. Now, secondly, there are the non-countable nouns, and those are really interesting. They're kind of abstract. You can't really count these things like water. So we don't say a water. We don't try to count it. We don't try to specify it with the a or one idea. We just say water. And if you want water, you have to say in front of it, some water. Can I have some water? Not a water. Coffee, same thing. Some coffee. Coffee is not countable. We don't put an A there. Another interesting word, for example, and there are many like this, is furniture. In this room we have furniture. We don't count furniture. We don't say a furniture, two furniture. We don't say three furnitures. But we do say a piece of furniture. And that's where it's interesting. And that may help you understand the idea of countable, non-countable. Furniture is the big general idea. But within that context, we have pieces of furniture, chairs, sofas. Those we can count. And we identify that with the word piece. So we can't say a piece of furniture. Just like we could say a bottle of water if you wanted to be specific about how much water you want. Or a cup of coffee, for example, rather than a coffee. Now there is one distinction today. These days we tend to order a coffee or a water when we go out. That's new, but we won't go into that in detail. The general rule is what I gave you.